Hey everybody, Nick here from The Bearded Housewife. I wanted to show you today my new insert cards that are available at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. We have all the fall holidays and Halloween as well. So let me show you all the different ones. We have a cute little pumpkin. It says Hello Fall. A little leaf. And a cute little acorn. For Halloween, we have a bat that says Happy Halloween. A really cool spider card that says Eek. That one's really cool. I'm going to be showing you how to make that one. And then a witch that says I'll get you my pretty. Fitting for Halloween, right? And then for Thanksgiving, we have a cute little turkey and a little pilgrim hat. Both of those say Happy Thanksgiving. And then just for fun, a little dancing cooked turkey that says Gobble Gobble. Cute. All of them include the envelope right here, and they all come in various file formats and can be cut on any of the Cricut machines. Let me show you how to do it. So in Design Space, I want to show you how to set these up before you cut. You're going to go ahead and upload the design. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and highlight the image and then click Add to Canvas. First thing that we need to do is we need to head up to ungroup the design and scroll down to the envelope. Highlight the score line, that's the top layer within that group. Under operation, you're going to want to change that from a cut line to score. Then highlight the group and then click attach. Let's move that out of the way. Now the second group right here, that's your card. And then this last one is the insert. So for the card, we need to change the score line again. It's that top layer. Under operation, change that to score. And now this second layer is our draw layer. So for this card, it is the text and the web. We need to go under operation and change that to pen. And right here, you can change it to any color that you prefer. I'll just change it really quick so you can see. I'm going to change it black. Now highlight that group and click attach. This will be the same for any of these insert cards. Doesn't matter which one. So once you've done all that, you can head up to the Make It button and you can go ahead and get everything cut out. Okay, so I have gone ahead and cut everything out already. The first thing that we're going to do to assemble this card is to fold along the score line. I'm going to take my scraper and burnish the line. There we go. Now just open up the card, take your insert, and fit it into all those little slits in each corner. Close the card, give it a good press, just to make sure that that insert lays flat. And there you go. Isn't that a cool card? I love it. All right, now it's time to just show you how to really quick do the envelope. You're going to fold along the score lines and burnish the edges. Open the card back up. Take your glue. Run a small bead along the bottom of each of the side flaps. lift up the bottom flap, give it a press, and the envelope is done. Easy peasy. I hope that you guys like this new collection. They are available at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. Like I said, they come in all different file formats and can be used on any of the cutting machines. Your Cricut Explorer series, your Cricut Maker series, and the Cricut Joy. I hope that you like them. I can't wait to see what you do with them. I will see you all later. Bye-bye.